So now that we are past the 6 month mark on 2025 housing market, we have some interesting news. Some of the towns in Hartford County have seen huge appreciation in the home prices, and some of the towns are seeing significant drop in the prices. So stay tuned with me to find out if you happen to be living in the towns where the sellers are experiencing the happy news that the prices have gone up significantly, or if you live in the towns where the prices have started dropping and the sellers have started growing concerned about the home values. Hello, this is Manju Ravi Sharma, and in this video, you'll have the information from the Q2 report for the Hartford County housing market. So, the biggest gainers in terms of median sales price is the town of Glastonbury. Just last month, a buyer was willing to pay $271,000 above the asking price to get into his dream home, a 1979 built colonial home in Glastonbury. So, Glastonbury prices have gone up 34%, and now the median sales price of a home in Glastonbury is $665,000, with the single family homes median sales price having gone up to $730,000. The next town which is closely following the trend is Suffield, where the prices have gone up 19%, and now a single family home cost about $572,000. That's an increase of 33% compared to Q2 of 2024. The next town which is following the price appreciation trend is Berlin, where the prices have gone up 19%, and the single family homes in Berlin now cost about $464,000. So these are the hot markets where the sellers are mighty happy. So where are the other towns where we have significant price growth? Those include Wethersfield, the prices jumped by 16%. Simsbury also jumped by 16%. So now, which are the towns where there is significant drop in the prices? One town is Granby, where the prices have gone down 7.75%, and now the median sales price is about $441,000. Another town where the prices have gone down slightly is Farmington, where both condos and single family homes prices have gone down, and the median drop is about 1.6%, and now the median sales price in Farmington is $460,000. Another town where there is price drop is South Windsor. It's again not very big drop. It's about 2.4% drop in the Q2 of 2025 compared to Q2 of 2024, and the median sales price of a home in South Windsor is $415,000. Now, which are the towns where we have most number of sales happening? There's no prices for guessing. It's West Hartford, where we had about 187 houses sold. That's a slight decrease from the numbers last year. The next spot is taken by Southington, where the number of sales have gone up drastically, up by 21%. And the next big town where the sales have gone up is Manchester. The sales have gone up by 11%. In these towns, the inventory is moving really fast. Now, where has the inventory levels dropped? The town of Rocky Hill, the inventory level sales has decreased because the number of houses that came onto the market also decreased. Similarly, Hartford City also saw a significant drop in the number of new listings coming into the market, about 38% drop in the listings coming into the market compared to last year same time. Last year second quarter. Now, what's going on in the condo market? The condo sales dropped by 11% compared to Q2 of 2024, even though the median sales price has gone up for the most part of Hartford County, and sellers getting about 4% above the asking price. There are certain towns where the condo prices have gone down in double digits. Towns like Berlin, New Britain, South Windsor, Windsor Locks have seen significant drop in the condo prices from 14% to 20% in New Britain. That's because mostly the condos sold during this quarter two in these towns were old or outdated. And some of the other towns like South Windsor, we are seeing more of buyer fatigue and the effect of mortgage rates still being very high, like in the high sixes. So, which towns are seeing the drop in single-family home prices? It is Farmington, where it is significant, a 9.2 percentage drop in the median sales price of single-family homes in this town. And other towns like Granby, East Windsor, and Windsor also saw considerable drop in the prices. It could be because not many higher end houses were sold in this quarter in these towns. However, we are definitely seeing a shift in the buyer behavior, in certain neighborhoods in these towns where the properties were sold.